Most people think manifestation is about wanting something so badly that the universe has no choice but to give it to you. But here's the truth. Wanting too much creates resistance. It's like gripping sand. The tighter you hold on, the faster it slips through your fingers. Reason 1. Psychological resistance. Your brain has a filter called the reticular activating system. It shows you what you believe is important. When you're obsessed with your desire, your brain highlights everything you don't have. Bills instead of abundance, loneliness instead of love. This focus on lack slows manifestation because you can only attract what you notice. Reason 2. Energy of desperation. Energy doesn't lie. If you're desperate, you're telling the universe, I don't have this yet. That frequency is scarcity. Detachment flips it. It says, I already trust, I already have, I already am. And that frequency is magnetic. Reason 3. Universal law of flow. Water doesn't force its way down the riverbank, it flows. The same is true with manifestation. When you stop trying to control how and when, you give the universe space to deliver in ways you couldn't have imagined. So, detachment is not about not caring. It's about caring so much that you can let it go. The paradox is simple. The moment you stop chasing is the moment what you seek begins chasing you.